In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use promo codes in Pixel Gun 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to make sure your rewards land on the right account without any guesswork. First, open your web browser and head straight to the official Pixel Gun Hub Redeem Coupon page. It's important that you use the legitimate page from the game's publisher so your account stays secure and your rewards process correctly. If you're unsure, launch Pixel Gun 3D and look for official links in announcements or support sections rather than searching random sites. A quick tip: bookmark the redeem page once you've found it so you can return to it easily for future events. Next, log in using your unique Pixel Gun 3D ID player number. This is the numeric identifier tied to your account, not a username or password. You can usually find it in the game's settings or profile screen. Copy it carefully to avoid typos and never share your login credentials publicly. Only the ID number is needed here. Using the correct ID ensures any redeemed items are bound to the account you actually play on. Now paste your promo code into the redemption field. Promo codes often come from official events, streams, or community announcements, and they may be time-limited or region-specific. To prevent errors, copy the code exactly as provided, including capitalization and special characters if any. If the code looks suspicious or comes from an unverified source, skip it. Unauthorized codes won't work and could put your account at risk. If you see an error like code expired or already used, double-check the code's validity window and whether you've redeemed it before. Finally, click Redeem to bind the promotion to your active game profile. Give it a moment to process. Once it's accepted, rewards typically appear in your in-game mailbox, inventory, or currency balance shortly after. If you don't see anything right away, restart the game, ensure you're logged into the same account you used on the redeem page, and confirm you entered the correct player ID. Occasionally, high-traffic events can delay delivery for a few minutes. That's all there is to it. Open the redeem page, log in with your player ID, paste the valid promo code, and confirm with redeem. Keep your codes organized, watch for official announcements, and always verify you're on the authentic site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your rewards in Pixel Gun 3D.